Good morning, Core Math 2 students. This is your week 5 lesson 3, and it's all about angles and arcs. So let's take a look at refreshing our memory on a couple of things we saw yesterday. The central angle is always exactly equal to the arc measure. Meanwhile, the inscribed angle is always half the size of the arc. And so keeping in mind that a central angle has a vertex at the center of the circle, while an inscribed angle has the vertex on the circle. It's written in it or on it, and that's what inscribed is all about. So here in example 1, let's see what you might come across on Delta Math today. So you might see a crazy picture. It looks like a couple of triangles even, crazy X shape, and they tell us that the measure of angle KLM is 46 degrees. So it's very important to know that that middle letter is the vertex. So that's the corner where the angle is made. And the two letters K and M on the outsides, they help identify the segments or rays, the sides of the angle. So point L is where we're looking for the angle, and out to K and out to M are the sides that make it up. So this angle at L is 46 degrees. That's what they're telling us. Our job is to find the measure of angle KNM. So at point N, there is an angle here. That's the angle they're asking us to find. Okay, so there's no connection to these two that we can see right off the bat, but if we focus in on L and the two radii going out to the edge of the circle, this is a central angle, and that tells me that the arc KM has the exact same measure as that central angle. So KM is an arc of 46 degrees. Well, at point N, the inscribed angle, those sides also go out and intercept that exact same arc. Well, we know that the inscribed angle N is half the size of that arc. So the measure of angle KNM is 46 divided by 2. This is a 23 degree angle because it's half the size of the intercepted arc. Let's take a look at example 2, something kind of similar but drawn in a very different way. Here, they tell us that the measure of angle MQP is 18 degrees. So again, Q is the vertex that we're looking at. So Q is all the way down here, M to Q and Q to P. That's what's making up the angle. So this skinny angle in here is an 18 degree angle. And then our job is to find the measure of angle MNP. So N is at the center of the circle, and that's the angle they're asking us to find. So this Q inscribed angle goes out to intercept the circle at M and P. So this arc has a degree measure. Well, it has a degree measure that we need to find. So the inscribed angle, 18 degrees, is always half the size of the arc. The arc is twice as big as the inscribed angle. So M to P is a 36 degree measure. And then for us to find the measure of angle MNP with the vertex at N, this is the central angle. The central angle is always exactly equal to the measure of the arc. So this one is exactly 36 degrees. So take this information and head on over to Delta Math. Good luck out there.